Good morning, everyone. This morning we're going to be talking about the subject in imperative sentences. For the last few days, we've been looking at the subject, and one of the ways we've been able to find the subject is we find the verb, and then we say who did it. Well, an imperative sentence, if you remember, makes a request or gives directions or orders. Okay, look at the examples we have below. Bring me the book on the table. What is the verb in that sentence? Well, the verb is bring. Okay. Now, who is it telling to bring the book? It's telling you to bring me the book. So in this particular sentence, you is the subject. You will notice that you was not in that sentence. Okay, the next one says, cut on the dotted line. Well, who is it telling to do that? It's telling you to do it. Again, cut would be the verb, and it's telling you to cut on the dotted line. Wait for me to call. Okay, again, the verb is wait. Who is it telling to wait? It's telling you to wait. Okay, so in an imperative sentence, if you remember, it's giving a request or a command. So we need to find, first of all, the verb, and then say, who is it telling to do that? Here I have written several sentences. Let's see if we can find the verb and the subject. John walked to school. The verb, of course, would be walked. So then we would ask ourselves, who walked to school? That would be John. John would be the subject, and walked would be the verb. In the next sentence, help Fran with her homework. Well, what is the verb? The verb is help. This is an imperative sentence. It's giving a command or order. Who is it telling to help? It's telling you to do it. So in this case, we have to understand that you, even though it is not written, is the subject of that sentence. Sarah did her homework. The verb is did. We ask ourselves, who or what did their homework? Well, obviously it would be Sarah. So Sarah is the subject of the verb did. Pick up all of your toys. The verb would be pick. Okay? Who or what is it telling to pick up your toys? Well, it's telling you to do it. This is an imperative sentence. It's giving an order or a command. Do your homework. The verb is do. Who is it telling to do their homework? It's telling you to do your homework. So you would be the subject of the verb did. Sam rode his bike. Sam rode his bike. The verb is rode. Who or what rode the bike? Sam did. So Sam is the subject of the verb rode. Please close your Chromebook. Okay? The verb is close. Who is it telling to close the Chromebook? It's telling you to close the Chromebook. So you is the subject of close in this sentence. This is your homework page for today. Let's go over the directions. Finding the subject. Draw 2 lines under the verb in each sentence. Then draw 1 line under the subject. If the subject is not given, write you on the line before the sentence. Again, sometimes in an imperative sentence, it does not have the subject. So let's look at the first one. Go to sleep. Okay, well, what is the verb there? The verb there is go. So we draw 2 lines under the verb. Who is it telling to go to sleep? Well, it's telling you to go to sleep. So you is the subject in this sentence. Even though it was not written, it is implied that you are the subject. Let's do one more. Jean helped me with my homework. The verb is helped. Who or what helped me with my homework? Jean did. So Jean is the subject and helped is the verb. Go through the sentences, look and see if you can find the verb first. Once you find the verb, all you do is ask who did it. If it is implied you, then it is an imperative sentence.